This is a very short presentation showing you how to connect to the Graham Virtual Desktop interface over VNC. So what we want to do is we want to search for VNC in Graham or VDI in Graham. The very first link here is the instructions. The first bit of the instructions tell you how to install the VNC client on your machine. The second bit of the instructions tells you how to use that to connect to the VDI system. So to install the client on the machine, we want to search for Tiger VNC. That's the VNC program we recommend. We just go to the releases there, and then we scroll down, we pick the bin tray link, and we scroll down on this page, and we have the DMG for Mac, we have the 32-bit executable for Windows, and the 64-bit executable for Windows. For Linux, go back to the directions here, you install it with your package manager. I've already installed it on this computer here, but I still have to run these two special steps which give the Tiger VNC viewer access to my system certificates to verify that it is connecting to the correct machine. After running these, I can just launch it via the command line or via my menu if I want. And then I tell it I want it to connect to gra-bdi.computecanada.ca. Press the connect button, and then it'll bring up the login screen. At the login screen, I enter my standard Compute Canada login name and username, just exactly like I do when I'm connecting via Secure Shell to the cluster. Except for now, I have a graphical desktop.